Good evening and welcome to 12 News at 6. I'm Kari Lake.
I'm Rachel Cole in for Mark. New tonight, will a lawsuit force Kari Lake to dial down her rhetoric targeting the people who run our election?
A Maricopa County judge heard arguments today from Lake's lawyers on why he should throw out a rare defamation lawsuit filed by County Recorder Stephen Richer.
12 News journalist Bram Resnick was in court today. He tells us why the judge's ruling could change the tone of our politics. Bram?
Yeah, Rachel, this case could set a precedent. It's the first test of a state law that discourages lawsuits related to free speech. A member of Lake's legal team told me you wouldn't want a lawyer looking over every statement during a campaign. The argument on Richer's side, free speech isn't a license to spread destructive lies.
I've had the courage to speak out and talk about these disgusting elections.
Virtually every one of Kari Lake's election challenges have been tossed out since her defeat in last year's race for governor.
We have touched the topic we're not supposed to talk about.
Now, Lake may have gone too far.
She's allowed to insult me, criticize my abilities, criticize my hair.
Maricopa County Recorder Stephen Richer says that's fair game in politics. His defamation lawsuit against Lake says this isn't fair game, falsely accusing him of intentionally sabotaging the election and then profiting off the lie.
But she is not allowed to say that I did something that was criminally unlawful, something that has been adjudicated by multiple courts as absolutely positively not happening.
Richer's lawsuit is the first test of an updated state law that lets judges dismiss legal actions that would squelch free speech.
To me, this has nothing to do with politics. It has everything to do with speech.
Greg Leslie of Arizona State University's First Amendment Clinic prepped a second-year law student to serve as a Lake attorney.
Imagine a world where you had to have a lawyer approve every statement you ever wanted to make about a politician or an election or a ballot issue.
Richer's legal team says Lake's lawyers have it wrong. State law is not, in their words, a defamation immunization card.
The statute does not immunize someone from making false accusations about another person that harm them.
Attorney Ben Berwick said the accusations led to threats against Richer and his family.
That kind of speech is not constitutionally protected.
And Kari Lake was present in court today. Stephen Richer was not. There is no timeline for the judge's ruling. If he allows the lawsuit to go forward, a trial could be held in the middle of next year's election season. Let's send it back to you.